Hey guys, welcome to another DIY video here. Today's video, I'm gonna show you how to install a niche here. Real simple to install here. You need is a leveler, and then you gotta put it up against the wall here. Make sure it's where you want it, and make sure your wall is deep enough. This is 3.5 inch in depth, and of course I know this is about 6 inches in depth. And with 3.5 inch, you actually can use a regular wall. You can install in a regular wall because 2x4 walls are pretty thick to be able to install a niche, this size niche. Okay, so all you gotta do is put it where you want it, get a leveler. And you wanna put it here and make sure it's level before you mark it and square it. And make sure there's no stud. I have already located my studs. My studs, I have 2 studs on this side, one here in the corner and one here, and one right in the center. So I am good here. So once you have it where you want, and since this is a panel and it has lines, I tend to make sure it's kind of parallel to that so it looks nice, and then you just mark it. So I just mark it here, mark it down on this side, top, bottom, and then voila, you're good, you're ready to cut. Now you just got to make sure this panel right here is the seam. I was gonna make it look nice and neat right here, but I want it to be I didn't want to cut the seam in case it cracks. That's why I have it right here in that center. And one more time, let's move back and see the look. Like it looks good. Looks good like that. Okay? Because you put it in the seam, it will look too bad, but like I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna crack it. So I'm just gonna put it right here. So I'm using a drill here, guys, to pre-drills the 4 corner, because what happens when I use an oscillator tool, it tends to cut over. But with this, you know where to stop, so it kind of won't let you cut over with the oscillator. It'd be a little bit more precise. All right, go. There it goes. Look at that. Voila. Clean it up a little bit. Let's see if it fits. We're gonna caulk it here. Want a lot of caulk, guys. A lot of caulk. There it goes. You don't want it to leak. All around, all around. Don't go cheap on it. Put a lot of caulk. I'm using Polyseal, guys. Polyseal is probably your best. Chunk here. Recommend using Polyseal, guys. Polyseam, this stuff right here, because it doesn't dry up, it doesn't crack. There it goes. All right, look at that, guys. How nice that looks. And it's okay, let it seep. Let all that Polyseam, all that caulk seeps out so that you got good seal. So just run my finger like that. Run it on this side. Okay, and that's it, guys. And clean it up a little bit. Look at that. Very nice. And here's the final result. Clean look, nice. You're adding some shelf in your shower where you don't actually come out and lose space. It's actually blend into the shower back wall. And it wasn't that hard to do, guys. Very easy to do. Now you can add on this side panel another one if you want. In our case, I think one is enough. And just make sure when you do it, guys, double check your measurement. Double check. Depth and where you want it, okay? And you saw on the video we decided to cut not on the seam to make it look more natural. We decided to go in between, and they do sell wider niche, even longer niche, but this was perfect for us, okay? And we didn't want too much, we didn't want to overpower. We just want a well-balanced shower, kind of clean look. And you can see how we step back. That's what we were going for. That's the reason why we got this side niche. But until next video, guys, thanks for watching, and make sure to tune in our series of Remodeling the Shower, because we have a whole video content of it. I'll see you next video. Take care. Bye now.